Yes, sir. Estamos aquí en directo. We are live. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take any trades. The market just opened. We have no gap. So the strategy on Asia was to trade the opening gap. Due to the fact that we don't have a gap, I might don't take a trade. Let's see. So normally when Asia opens, market is closed. Why I say the market is closed? It's 6. There you go. So this is the deal. When Asia opens between 4:59 and 6 p.m., it should be a gap. If there is no gap, it's harder to make a decision and take a trade. How you mark the gaps? So this is what you do. You take the 4:59 candle. The closing is at 19,805 with 50. 19,805 with 50. And you click in there. Now you go to the next candle and the opening is 19,803. That's the opening. That's the opening gap. Now you go and text and dog. New day opening gap. And you're going to have this point as reference. You click in it, settings, style, extend to the right. Infinito, infinite. All right. And that's it. Now we have a fair value gap in here. We got the end dog in here. We got a weekly gap. We got the market going down. Before closing today, the market. Oh, by the way, I wasn't able to take any trade today because I took a lose. I lost yesterday in Asia, and I blacked myself out. I lost 200 and what? 226. I lost. So what we do now? Wait. That's what we do. Wait. You don't want to see. You don't want to do nothing till I'll say 7 p.m. 8 p.m. Because that's when Asia opens like real at 6. The market open, but you know what I mean, jelly bean. Okay, this is what we do. We mark previous low was taken. Okay. Previous high taken. We cross the end dog. Like heavy. We have this range, opening range right here. What I want to see, either we go to this sell side liquidity or this is quote unquote major points. We have one in here that just got liquidated. We have another one in here. We have another one in here. We should have all this mark. But, you know, like I don't need to mark it, but I'm gonna mark it for the sake of the conversation. Okay? Mash K, yes. Buy side liquidity taken. Previous sell side liquidity taken. What are we going now? What are we doing now? We don't do nothing now. We just wait. Practice patience. Come to the market without expectation. Tao trading. Okay, so we didn't. Oh yeah, we did grab it. This is what we do. We wait for a confirmation. I want to see some form of S&T like this one. Look at this. So we have equal lows in here, right? We have equal lows in here, and we have an S&T formed in here. That tells me that ES is the weakest pair. We grabbed the liquidity, but we didn't grab it in here. We didn't go deeper. To be quite honest, I would love to see this one like in here and leave this liquidity open, but that's not what happened. And because it's not what happened, I just wait. We didn't grab any liquidity on ES, and we did grab it on NQ. That's telling me that ES is the weakest pair. So we have to make a decision. We have to either trade the weakest pair or have put some balls in the game and trade my baby NQ. Let me zoom out a little bit. 5 minutes. When in doubt, zoom out. That's what we do. When in doubt, zoom out. This candle tell me that there's a lot of quote unquote selling pressure. We open at 803. We close at 804. We only went up 20 points. It's not a lot, but you know. What else? So yeah, definitely ES is the weakest pair. Okay. I'm gonna start recording myself showing my face off. Oh, we got into this fair value gap. Yes, sir. That's what we do. If I'm honest, let me do something real quick. You want me to be honest? You don't want me to be honest. These relative equal lows. Oh, this is a buy. Hell yeah. This is a buy. Why I say this is a buy? Because look at this. on the 5-minute. We have relative equal lows. NQ didn't take the lows. ES did take it, and then it's going up. Now, ES created the equal lows when NQ is grabbing the liquidity. So this is what we're gonna do. Let's see the daily. We touch 75% of the daily and weekly gap. Week London session. That was UK high. We have a fair value gap in here. I think I can delete this UK high. I leave the midnight open. Oh shit, I didn't mark midnight open from last night. Oh because that's a point of interest. Midnight open 875.75. Midnight open 875.75. Midnight open. There we go. You see how we respect the midnight open? Anyway, daily touch 75%, went down, create a fair value gap. What I'm expecting? Either we go down or we go up. You like it? Either we go down and touch this fair value gap and then go up, we grab yesterday's low, New York AM PM session, or let me see what we see in the 4 hours. We have a fair value gap in here. Yes. Business. What's the power of 3? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. When a candle open, you want to see it going down first. If you want to see the candle going up, the opening here goes down, create the wick, and then goes up, and then retrace it. Power of 3. This candle right here, it's a lot of selling pressure. I truly wanna see a buying pressure coming into the market, but it wouldn't be weird if we do this retracement to the 700 and maybe this right here, this 50%, 19,728, to then keep the move up. Because why? Because of this. Look at this shit. How many weeks? 3 weeks up every day. Yesterday was the first day that we created a little bit of correction. This is not sustainable. We need a retracement. What's the retracement gonna be? Well, I have my eyes in here. If we break below it, then we have this fair value gap in here. And we have a lot of end dogs in here. We have a lot of liquidity. Liquidity. We have in the hourly, we have a fair value gap and we're stuck in here since 10 in the morning, crack a dawning. Oh man, shit. Can you tell that I'm bored? It's dangerous to be bored and looking at the charts, because you can start taking the wrong decisions. But I'm Gucci. And practice patience. That's what I'm doing. Oh wow. Just give me 1 second. Was taking care of some business. Business. My wife. Wife is calling. You gotta pick it up. You gotta pick it up. All right. We touch, make damage. I wanna see the candle closing above. Is this IFVG? Inverse fair value gap? Yes or no? Do we have an SMT? Not anymore. This SMT is not valid anymore. Why? Because we're both in the same direction. GSNQ is exaggerated. The S is the weakest pair today. Practice patience. Nash, practice patience. Don't jump into the market just because. Alrighty. So before I jump into a trade, when I'm thinking to jump into a trade for a second, my heart is like boom. I feel like one heartbeat that is stronger than the rest. Just one. You know? In the middle of my stomach. Like, should I enter now? All right, we just touched the new day opening up and up. I am controlling my emotions. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Let's talk about this. Okay, that's fine. I want to see some type of SMT. I like this. You know, this can be considered an inverse fair value gap. Kind of, not too strong though. I mean, strong in the opposite side, definitely. We broke above it. Market structure shift. Oh my God, the sun is hitting on my face. So beautiful. I just cracked a beer open, just so you know. I want to see price breaking above and closing above. This is a more the right here. Why I don't have buy side liquidity on my see those gaps? Those gaps gonna get filled, you know? You see? You're gonna tell me that this is not algorithmic? Look at this fucking chart. This is a fucking computer. This is a fucking computer. You're gonna tell me that this is people buying and selling? This is ones and zeros. This is algorithmic. It looks like a fucking a computer is making this, bro. If I put you in the background, this sound. Let's see. Wait. Look. What the fuck? Why Dolby Digital? No. Not futuristic. Like digital glitch sound effect. No. Computer binary code typing sound effect. Yeah. Like this. Isn't it? Order field. Come Come on, man. Look at this shit, bro. Look at this shit. Get out of here, man. All the people shitting on ICT. Get the fuck out of my face, bro. This is fucking algorithmic. One day, I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna make a video talking about the algo. Why? Because with ChatGPT, I'm just thinking if this is possible long. It's a huge stop loss. I mean, not a huge, but I don't want to risk like, yeah, $20. 20 points is like $300, some shit like that. 250 with 1 minute. If I enter into a micro, I can enter with 1 micro and add on the way. Because we have, look at this. We have a lot of room. You know? You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? So, I was about to say, go to ChatGPT and type. Tell him to write you a code. Tell him to write you a code talking about that open and closes positions on a pine script due to the volatility, stochastic, RSI, and the 20, 50, 100, and 200 moving average. And when it's below the, let's say, 100 moving average, when it's below, and then the RSI is above 60, enter into a short. And then if the RSI is below 30, close the position. Only enter longs when price is above the moving average. Only enter shorts when it's above pine script. You see, you will get a nice code. Now you can copy trade that and open and close positions, enter and exit the market automatically, right? So imagine 10, 15, 20, 50,000 people holding bots, and those bots opening and closing positions with a 1-day moving average, 5-day moving average, 20-day moving average at max. and then another one has 10 day, 50 day, 100 days, and then like that. Bro, you will create something like this, algorithmic. And then also you have the big whales that also manipulate the market, whether you like it or not. There's a fucking algorithm, whether you like it or not, everywhere, in everything. No, I mean, not in everything. I mean, even in the human mind, right? The human body. Like we have a CPU, we have a computer that is our brain. We install programs, behaviors, you know, neurological pathways. Bro, like, I'm telling you, man, for real. So why I didn't enter the trade? Because I wanted to see the price. I wanted to buy on a discount. This is premium. And because we rejected the end dog, I don't trust it. So I'm still waiting. Practicing patience while talking BS. Yes, yes. I just said it. I said it. Qué vuelta, qué bola. Sun is hitting me to the face, bro. Sun is hitting in my face. All right. So the problem, I want to listen to music. The problem is that I can get a strike on YouTube if I'm live listening to music, right? Or wrong. Look at these fucking gaps. Look at these fucking gaps, man. Man, just because. Just because. Yo, I got my homie Q texting. Oh, snap. Yeah, so I'm gonna start streaming with showing my face off. Why? Because I wanna see it. I wanna see how I get. I wanna see my face when I get stressed out. All right, we swap this liquidity on the on NQ. This liquidity. Oh wow. All right, so yeah, it was a long, but I got late to the party. That was a perfect entry right there, right here. The other day, I was in the kitchen and my niece came from work. What is wrong with this, man? Are you okay, brother? I was in the kitchen and my niece came back from work and she started cooking something. for herself, and she asked me, "Yo, uncle, where's the rice?" And I said, "Rice there." Woo! Oh my god, that was hilarious, bro. I couldn't stop laughing for like, I don't know, 30 minutes at least. All right, we grab this liquidity. Oh, rice. Oh, rice. Rice there. Where's the rice? Rice there. Where's gonna be? What's gonna be the rice? Rice there. You get it? You get it? I want to listen to music because I don't gonna stop saying, talking shit, bro. Come on, man. All right, we grab this liquidity. What are we doing now? Either we go back to the end dog, tap me in, and then keep going up, or either we go back to the end dog, tap me in, and keep going up. Either or. Because why not? We have, I mean, we have these right here, can be rejected. I want to enter into a long. 801, 801. The top of the end dog is 805. What we have in 805? We have a small, literally extremely small fair value gap. We have a volume imbalance in here. That would be a nice entry. Let's see. I just called this fair value gap, right? Look at this. Look at this. I want to entry in the volume imbalance. We have another volume imbalance in here. Oh no, that's the same one. But you know, because we have the new day opening gap, I might just don't get filled and leave this open, which in ES will be this area right here. Yeah, I see the price tapping me in. I mean, you know, I was thinking to start analyzing JPY, you know, some forex pairs for this time of the day. Because trading ES and Nasdaq on Asia session is like, oh man, it's painful. Definitely you practice patience here. The problem is that if you practice a lot of patience and then it goes the opposite way, you know, like it's it can be annoying. It can be annoying, at least, you know. So yep, that's what I'm thinking. All right, tap me in. Not willing to, what the fuck? I'm only risking $30, $35. I'm aiming here. If we go up, if we go my way, I'll add some contracts. If we break this, I want to put my stop loss in here, to be honest. I should put it in here, but you know, like making another low like this to then go up after we created this, no thank you. Actually, I should put my stop loss in here because I want to see this open. You know, I should put my stop loss at least here. But whatever, it's only $25, so I'm good. Now that we're in the trade, I'm gonna close SMTs, and I'm gonna just focus on my trade. Why do I have my screen split it in two? Because this is Nasdaq and this is micros, and the charts tend to be a little different. Yo, what the fuck? Look at this. What's wrong with you, man? What's wrong with you, man? All right, so this is what we're doing. We're practicing patience. That's what we're doing. That's what we're here to do. You hear me? I want to play some music. Should I play some music? Say yes on the chat. What's that, chat? Type 1 in the chat if you want me to put some music. Yes. Yes. All right. I see that Nasty Trades. Yo, what's that? Nasty Trades. Want to listen to some music? So I'm gonna play some music. Q, I'm trading, Q. What's Gucci? All right, all right, all right. Let's invite Q to the boys. Pa 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 para pa pa para pa para pa Q. Deep house music. Ibiza. Let's go. Day one, day two, I don't be for us. Now throw me a call,
make we link go up. As I start to tell her, feel my heart it is. Baby girl, if you leave me, I don't wanna begin. Because you gave me the gas, babe, pull my heart for bed. Show me you feel my pain. Baby, calm down, calm down. Yo, this your body, putting my heart for lockdown, oh lockdown. Yo, you feel like fan down, fan down. If I tell you say I love you, no day for me and down, no younger, no tell me no, 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 no.
Yo, Q, what's up, man? Yo,
Yo,
you're live. You're live. Your voice is with me. You're gonna be my Charlie.
sick. Let's do it. Who's Charlie?
The movie, the angels, the three, bro, the angels
Mm.
of Charlie. You know that movie?
All dogs go to heaven, bro?
All dogs
I don't know,
gonna
man. I don't
heaven?
know.
What
I'm
the
just kidding.
fuck? No. Charlie, what the fuck? Angels, Charlie's Angel.
Oh, okay.
Yo,
I got you.
like 007, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I just heard you. Call me.
Mm. Oh shit, you're gonna have to mute the YouTube, cause
Yeah, I just muted it.
my man.
What'd you get into? I see the short. That's
No,
funny because I just took the same. I took the same trade a little bit
I'm
because I saw it.
I'm in a long.
Oh yeah, sorry, long.
Did you get out already?
Uh, so I didn't do it with my live account yet. It's a warm up, bro. Michael.
Yeah.
Michael said that you should wait until like at least 7 o'clock before you start trading Asia.
Yeah, that's what I said when I started the live, but I forgot.
Yeah, yeah, it's all good,
I mean,
right?
I only entered with one micro because it wasn't too clear though. I mean, I saw it, but the structure is not too good. We don't have an end dog today. I mean, we do. The wait. So the closing of the 459 candle, the closing is a 19,805 with 50,
Hmm.
and the opening of the 6 p.m. candle is 19,803. So it's like $2 gap in there.
Yeah, $2 difference, bro. That ain't shit.
That ain't shit. I know.
Like it looks like even then it looks like it just the on the 1 minute. Yeah, incredible bearish sentiment though today. It's crazy.
To be honest, I'm kinda bearish.
Yeah, it's,
I saw the long and I took it, but it's just like it's a pretty small size.
yeah, yeah.
I guess just to warm up a little bit or whatever. But
Hmm.
on the daily and everything, like I want to see a retracement of the candle to the fair value gap that was created to then keep the move to the upside, because it's not sustainable. The amount of uh green candles, quote unquote green candles, that we have for the past 3 weeks, like it's
Hmm.
not sustainable. We need a healthy retracement.
Yeah, I'm with you. I agree. I agree. Yeah, on the like it's weird though, cause like even right now, right? Like you go to the 15 minute, you got relative equal lows that was created. Start of it was August 20th, right? And then Yes. Sorry. So yeah, 10:30 a.m. Right. So
What
you got the 10.
what's up?
Bro, I don't know. I tried to sleep. I only got an hour and a half, man.
Did you
That's
take a
crazy.
nap?
Yeah, I tried, bro. An hour and a half. That's it. That's all I got.
I mean, bro, that's a power nap, bro. No, a power nap,
Yeah.
no, like that's a lot.
Powered out.
You
Powered
know,
out.
you know
Yeah.
that there's a studies that say that a healthy nap is it should be 28 minutes.
Oh, see, that's funny because I was gonna say 20. I was thinking 20 minutes, but yeah, I did hear. I heard about it, but I didn't know. So
I didn't get the chance to take a nap. I finished editing the videos and then I went grounding, meditated. I didn't work out today. Just went for a little walk.
yeah,
But yeah, chilling.
bro, I didn't even go out, man. Okay, hold on. I'll go. I'm gonna go on Discord. I'm gonna share my screen on Discord.
Yep.
Order filled.
Autofill.
You know, practice.
Autofill. Yeah, you enter a short, huh, motherfucker?
Yeah, I exited it. Okay, hold on.
What the? That's
Discord.
the retracement I wanted to see. Yeah, we have a lot of selling pressure.
Yeah, I'm trying to, dude. Like, I was looking at it and I was like, okay, so on the 15 minute, you have the 1020, 1020 relative equal highs or lows. Sorry, right? So yeah, starting 10:30 and the low of 1 o'clock, you got relative equal lows, and then the high of 215 and 230. There's a relative equal high there, and we're
Wait,
stuck in that range.
wait. I'm gonna do this. Yeah, I'm gonna do this professionally. Wait. I'm gonna. I'm looking for. Oh wait, I have to open Discord first, right? Yes. Of course, duh.
Duh. This guy said duh.
Wait, I'm be patient. Chat, don't get crazy. Be patient, okay? Chat.
Dubs, dubs in the chat.
All right. Wait a minute. Oh shit.
Yeah. Yo, dubs in the chat. Watch this, bro.
Yeah, how the fuck I can mute you, bro? Oh, mute the screen. Yeah, okay. Yo,
Yo.
I hear myself double like crazy. Wait, how the fuck do I mute you on Discord?
Oh, yeah. Okay, here. I'll mute on Discord then. Wait, should I mute on Discord?
No, you're not. But I wanna mute you, bro. How the fuck can I do that?
Uh,
Mm-mm-mm-mm.
Yo, this is how you know we're getting old, bro. We don't know how to function with this technology.
All right.
We know how to take that.
Whoa.
What do we got? We got
Window capture, Discord. Okay. Go to Discord. Where the fuck is Discord? Right here. Boom. And pop out full screen. There you go. Now I go to OBS and I don't see it. Okay. Wait.
Alex. Okay.
Yo, I don't know how to do this shit. Wait.
Yeah, I'm watching, bro. It looks sick though. I don't even know what you're doing.
Uh, Discord window, Discord VIP national trades. Yeah, there you go. Wait,
That looks fire. I like the border actually.
there you go. There you go.
Username's not added. What does that even mean? Any
All right. Damn, chat. What the fuck? I got this, bro. Look at this, man.
that looks sick. Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Look at that.
Rename Q screen.
Hell yeah, bro. Look at
Hell
that.
yeah,
That looks
bro.
sick. That looks sick.
Oh shit, I got stopped out. Fuck. I wasn't even paying attention. That's not how you should trade, bro.
Okay, I think
Guys,
there's gonna be a
if
better
you're
shot.
if you're learning something, it's not to not to trade like this, okay? Focus. Focus.
Hold on, let's bro.
All right, let's
I
be
feel
serious.
the SMPs between ES and NU are sweet during I think. That's-
Well, is that considered a an SMT when none of them took the previous low?
No, no. No, it doesn't count. But that's what I'm saying. Like the SMTs during the Asia market, it looks like it's a lot more apparent. You know, like you can see it a lot. At least I think you can see it easier. For me, my eyes, because I'm getting old, bro.
Getting on, say you 30 years old, man.
32 November, bro. Dang.
Yo, November? What the what
Yeah,
day?
28, brother. 28.
You're the last day of Scorpio, huh?
Dude, yeah. See, okay, so that's like I have. I'm a Sag. I'm actually a
Ah,
Sag,
get the
but
fuck out of
I
here, man.
I know, bro. Yo, check it. Wait, hold up, man. Cause I have Scorpio traits. I have Scorpio traits, and then I have a lot of Sag too. It's mad weird, bro. I don't know. You know. Um,
Is that why
yeah,
you
cause like
is that why you are bipolar?
that's not I don't like people, man.
Nah, I'm Scorpio, but my wife is Sagi. So I get it. I
Yeah.
get it. I get it. All right.
Uh, hold on. Let's see.
So Chad, remember when I say managing the stop loss? So my stop loss was at the candle that was created at 616. And I say I don't wanna leave my stop loss in there because if the price goes lower than the fair value gap that was created at 618, the probabilities of the price going even lower are higher.
mhm.
And then yeah, I got stopped out and then the price is doing its thing. So yes, you know.
I want to see it take a lower or a high, bro.
Yeah.
Just get like just sweep the range, and then like we can actually make a better move.
But look at ES on the this only happened on Asia. Maybe a little bit of London too on the 1 minute time frame. You
Hmm.
you look at this shit and tell me that this is not algorithmic.
The 1 minute, yeah, bro.
Look at this shit, bro.
Show me.
It's fucking
Oh,
ridiculous.
oh yeah. Oh, bro, that's an SMT right there, man. I didn't even see that. Why did I see it on your screen and not mine? Hold on, let's see.
Which one?
Because NQ made a relative equal low, and then ES made a higher high or a
A
higher
higher
low.
low.
Sorry, yeah, a higher low.
Yeah, but that's why I told you before. Is that considered an SMT when none of them grab the previous liquidity?
So recently, yeah, it counts for me because recently I've been getting into trades based off of relative equal highs. If it creates a relative equal high and then the other pair or the correlating pair doesn't even touch or come close to it, right? So in this case, it would be ES with the higher low and then NQ creating that relative equal. So then you would long the, yeah, I count it. I count it as a SMT for sure. That's interesting. I wonder. Um, so then you would,
All right. So we have that one in there. There we go. Gonna put my phone to charge. I'll be right back.
start, start that. So that's what we do. We look for SMTs. Higher time frame SMTs are a lot more crucial than the lower time frame SMTs. So, but you gotta remember, I'm sure Nasty has already told you guys, SMTs only they only work if you have a narrative. So you have to know what your narrative is. Okay, equal lows. So this is what I like to do. I like to mark out my relative equal lows and equal highs, just to show, just so that I can see where I'm aiming if I was to get to a trade. We got relative equal highs on ES. Now you don't have to do this, but it does help. It does help a lot, especially if you're still training your eyes, which I'm still trying to do. I'm trying to train my eyes to see certain patterns, right? Fair value gaps. Like if I just zoom out even a little bit, like you'll see, I got I got a ton of annotations on my, a lot of lipstick going on here, right?
Yo, I almost forgot that I had a beer on the freezer.
Jeez,
So I had to
imagine it.
I had to yeah, I had to take it out because it was about to pop. So I served myself a glass.
I was about to say, bro. Okay, so bro, personally, I like the 2 minute time frame, man, on Asia, like during the Asia market. It's just so much cleaner.
You say the 2 minute?
Yeah, the 2 minute for me, anyways. The 2 minute just looks so much cleaner.
Yeah, it looks way cleaner. Obviously, the bigger the time frame, the cleaner it looks.
Mm-hmm.
But if you go to the 5 minute, I mean, it's okay still, like, but you don't see as many entries, right? Like 5 minutes
Yeah.
is mostly for, orientation, like where you at, right? Like
Mm-hmm.
15, 5, and then you look for the
Mm-hmm.
entries on the lower time frames.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, on the 5 minute was a nice entry at 6:35 for a short on ES from 56.22 to 56.18, which is so. But that's what I'm saying. It's only five handles, so it's not a big move.
No. No, it's not. Okay, so are we in the 7 o'clock zone? Okay, we're in 7 o'clock. Okay, so it's 7 o'clock
Yeah,
now.
it's 7:05. Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Let's just mark this out. So 7 o'clock. Because now we're basically doing the exact same thing. We're looking for entries and exits, right? So at least looking for. I don't know what I want to get swept right now, to be honest. Like we're in the middle of this range, and it's extremely annoying.
Yeah, that's a problem. We're in the middle of the range, and uh, I mean on the 15 NQ on the 15, it's just not closing below the fair value gap. It's just right there in the middle.
Mm-hmm.
So it's either when we break above or below it, it's a matter of take a decision, right?
Yeah, this one, right? You're talking about this fair value gap to the upside, right? Is that the one you're looking at?
Yeah, that one. Yeah, the one that you have in yellow. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay.
On the 5 minute, we have. I mean, yeah, and on the 15 too. Uh, equal lows on NQ. That's the S&T that we were talking about.
Uh-huh.
Um, if we cross below the FVG, the target will be the sell side liquidity on 774. If we close above, the target will be 810. Or the problem is that we have the end dog in the middle, and it will function as quote unquote resistance.
Uh-huh. Yeah, because it like price likes to go back towards that area, right? That's yesterday's end dog. Is that what you're talking about?
No, no, today.
Today.
Today's end dog. Um,
Oh, right here. Oh, I see, I see, I see, I see. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I see it. Okay, that's crazy. On the 2 minute, you couldn't see it. Yeah.
I'm
We look
leaning
at the same time.
towards shorts right now, to be honest.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't really come up with a bias yet. Um, I see why you say shorts though, because I agree. Usually, if price likes to move away from the new daily opening gap, likes to retouch and then continue its move down. So I'm with you on that.
I mean, it's a healthy retraction, retracement
Retracement. Yeah.
that we had today from 2:30 till now. It's
Mm-hmm.
not even that gap. It's not even that big. It's like 80 dollars, $80, 80 handles,
Mm-hmm.
right? And we created this double bottom in here, relative equal lows, as Mr. Michael likes to call it. But don't laugh. If he's listening, he's gonna think that we're laughing at him, and it's not. Okay.
No, no, yeah, that's not what it is. That's not what it is.
But yeah.
It's
Uh,
just When did we start calling him Michael?
Because I sent him a message yesterday and I say Mr. Michael. Because he's a
Mr.
teacher.
Mike? Yeah, yeah, yeah,
He's a
yeah.
mentor, bro. Like, he deserves the respect, you know? ICT is cool. Mr.
Yeah.
ICT. But, you know, I don't know. I get, because he get into the rams like that, into the
Hmm.
rants like that. Now it feels more personal. So I kind of feel like calling him Mr. Michael.
Yeah,
Because
I
I
like
take
it.
it personal, even though I know he's talking to his song. But
Yeah,
but I'm there listening.
yeah. Bro, you know what I'm thinking? Hold on.
If
Let's
you
see.
don't tell me, I don't.
Okay, so this is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking if price if price sweeps this low, let's say it goes down. Oh God, that's not it. That's not it. I'm thinking I'm thinking price sweeps the relative equal lows, touchback, continue to move down towards uh yesterday or this morning's low right here, right? So 19743 created at 10:30.
To then keep going up.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. It's so hard to tell because it's in the middle of this range right here. Right?
Yo, if you zoom in your charts, for the streaming, it's better because it's the I have to figure out how to make it bigger.
Mm-hmm.
The screens. I
Okay.
mean, I have your. I can do yours bigger like this, you know. But wait, hold on. Let me copy this and then paste it in here. And then
Hold on.
just delete
I can just make it.
this.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I also wanna, like, so that way I can like jump between the screens, and I got you and I got
Uh,
mine,
yeah.
right? So this looks cool like this, right? You see your screen now,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
And then when I jump into the dual screen, yours still looking like good, big, you know?
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, you can zoom out and zoom in as much as you want, but it's just, you know, if you want to revisit, or if somebody's watching, the data that is printed on the chart is too small.
Mm-hmm. I got you.
I got
Oh,
this
yeah.
also.
That was sweet,
I
bro.
also
Just that
got this.
transition.
Yeah, risk disclosure.
Yeah, that looks sick. Yeah, you're really good at this stuff, huh?
Everything I learned with the music, I bring it to the table, you know?
Yeah. Wow, today's stupid. Oh, I wonder if it's because tomorrow is FOMC, isn't it? You got Al talking tomorrow. Or is that Thursday? Wednesday. FOMC 2 p.m. FOMC minutes at 2 p.m. tomorrow.
At 2 p.m. tomorrow.
Yeah.
But is Powell speaking or not?
No, he speaks on Thursday. No, Friday. Speaks Friday. But Thursday is nice and fat. You got unemployment claims, manufacturing, PMI. Uh, what else got? Pretty much it. It's home sales, but that's like medium impact.
Yeah, it seems that it's gonna be slow market for Asia.
Mhm.
Do you know the macros
Man, I
for
saw.
Asia? Is there macros in Asia?
Uh, sorry, bro. From the lecture, ICT talked about like waiting until and then like that's it. That's all I remember. To be honest. Hold on, maybe I can pull it up on my. I wonder if I broke it. Give me a second.
If I play something on Discord, would it play here? Like start an activity, watch YouTube, and then play let's say deep house to study. Let's say deep house
Say what?
music plays background music, relaxing. Okay, let's.
Here's the thing, aging begins in your cells. Start supporting your cell health today.
Shredder coming to
3, 2, 1, action.
Bro, do you know how to watch gold? Do you know how to read that
How to read the what?
the gold charts?
Oh man, I try. I try, but it's this I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't quite understand gold like that, to be honest.
Mm-hmm.
Cause you know, there's this guy, the one that I paid the mentorship. Um, he's trading gold, and you know, it's not high probability trades.
Mm-hmm.
And also now it's all time highs on gold. It's
Mm-hmm.
$2,500, and
Yeah,
yeah, man, it's because the dollar is dollar and euro and everything that is happening in Palestine and Israel and Iran and all this shit. Like prices are crazy. So you know what they say: long the high till it doesn't work anymore.
mm-hmm.
I lost two founder accounts from the I lost five founder accounts in total. Two of them was shot in the top, the all-time highs on NQ. So
Mm-hmm.
I don't have I I don't have a good, you know, like say on that term. I don't want to short the top, you know.
Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. Trying to time the market is crazy. Because I was trying to do the same thing, man. I kept because like I don't know. You read changing world orders by Ray Dalio. You know this guy's been well, not to get into politics, but you know, talking about like the economy and stuff and current state of the world. And it's like, okay, cool. So we understand that, you know, there's a power shift coming. So like here we are waiting for that power shift to happen. Not that we're aiming for it or anything like that, but we know it's gonna happen based off of history. And so I was doing the same shit, man. I was basing most of my bets betting that it was a top and it was gonna come down. And I did the same thing. I was blowing a bunch of accounts as well.
On where?
I didn't play with gold too much. I think that was too hard for me. I couldn't read that price action. Um, yes, but I was blowing it on NQ. But that's because I wasn't risk management was poor, extremely poor. It wasn't disciplined. Now now we're definitely more disciplined.
Yep.
Now we're just working. That's right. We're just working on the patient part of it all.
So we didn't take these on NQ, these lows. We created
Uh-huh.
a higher low in ES.
Uh-huh.
We had a fair value gap in ES that the price is respecting. Now we are feeling
Uh-huh.
a volume imbalance. Um, I think, uh, I mean, I think that if we go up right now, wouldn't bother me.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking the same thing. I'm actually thinking the exact same thing. Because it really does, like, it's not trying to take it yet, you know? But there's going to be a spike soon. I've noticed around 7:30ish, there's a spike. So let's see. Oh, bro, you're more versed in correlating pairs with, like, what is it? Euro and USD, and then what was it? It was
Yeah, DXY, Euro USD. Yeah, because there's a correlation between them. Like, let's look at them. So we got NQ, we got ES. Let's do DXY.
yeah. I'm gonna watch your screen on that one.
Yeah, fucking tax step don't have it. Why?
No, they do they not? Oh, I thought they would.
They don't have it.
DXY, yeah, DXY and what?
Euro dollar, Euro FX. Yes.
Oof.
So most of the times, most of the times, let me see if I can. I'm gonna open trading view because this is fucking bullshit. Wait. Let me do my thing in here. Okay. So what is going on with my dog today, man? He don't stop craving for attention. All right. So when euro is going up, USD is going down.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's an inverse correlation. DXY
Mm-hmm.
should be also going down because DXY is paired to USD. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
when Nasdaq is going up, the dollar is going down, and euro is going up. So if euro is going up, Nasdaq is going up. That's a correlation that I look for. So for example, if I go to euro, I look for where's the drawn liquidity. Like we are literally grabbing the liquidity from here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So because we are grabbing the liquidity from there, uh, but then we also have this one. I expect a little retracement because I expect a little retracement on the euro. Now I'm gonna look for a little the opposite on the dollar.
Mm-hmm.
We're close to the sell side liquidity, and we literally just touched this order block, and we created an imbalance. So what do I expect? I expect the dollar go down a little bit more the euro go up a little bit more to then retrace. That retracement that I'm expecting on the euro needs to, you see, on the XY is the same thing. We have the order blocking here and we have the sell side liquidity. So DXY needs to retrace a little more and then go up, reverse. Because of this, a little bit more down and reverse, Nasdaq should do the same thing. Should go up a little bit more, which already did, to then retrace at least to this area. That's what I'm expecting.
I got you. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
So that's a correlation that I look for. Brooklyn, what is wrong with you? Stop. What? You want to play? Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Here. There you go. Run. All right.
This price is hot.
So that's what I see happening. We're touching these. So now let's talk about money. What are we doing now? Are we going back up to the end dog? Or we're just gonna go down? Because we don't necessarily need to go upper. Like we can just retrace now, you know?
That's a really, but that spot right there that you just pointed out, that's a really good, because I had that marked out on my chart. What was that, on the 4 hour? I think on the 4 hour it was
On the daily.
was it? Okay, hold on. Oof, that looks so messy. Give me 1 second. Get rid of that. Oh. That 4 hour.
All right, we do have an SMT here on the NQ. This might be a good entry, huh?
What time frame?
1 minute.
Yeah.
We have an SMT.
Between, I don't see it, brother.
ES and NQ.
Hold on. What are you? So are you shorting? Or are you longing? Sorry.
Shorting.
Shorting. Hold on. I gotta see your. Give me 1 second. Can I see your screen real quick? Show me it.
This SMT right here.
Oh. Yeah.
ES is the weakest pair.
On the 1 minute. To go short. Are you gonna do it? I don't see it. Not on my screen. I don't see it on my screen.
You don't see it on my screen?
Yeah, a little bit. SMT time. What time is it? What time is it at?
From 7 to 7:19.
7 o'clock. 719. And oh yeah. Wow, bro. Yeah. I saw what you. I see what you see now.
All right, I enter a short. Again, because it's tomorrow what it is, and like just enter it with a micro. Let's see what happens. If it
Mhm,
moves my way to the position,
mhm.
and let's see.
It looks too choppy for me right now, bro. To
Huh?
be honest, it looks too choppy for me, man.
It is choppy. It is choppy. That's why
Yeah,
I enter only with one micro. I'm not gonna.
yeah,
I don't gonna risk a mini for this. It's not clear. I'm not stupid. I make mistakes, but I control my risk.
yeah. Jesus.
Look at the opposite
Oh,
way, bitch.
yeah, because I was, yeah. See, if it breaks this high, if it can close this high on the 2 minute, oh, that might be the move towards the downside now. If it fills that end dog, hold on, let's see. This could be the market structure shift towards the upside, towards the upside. Yeah, I, I was seeing this SMT. So you had this SMT on ES, right? And then this SMT on. Okay, let's see what it does here. Because we have a market structure shift.
Brooklyn, stop, bro.
Shift. I might enter along here, brother.
Yeah, it is. It is. It is kind of. It's looking nice for a long. Also,
Oh no!
what?
I entered long on ES. Hold on. Let's see.
It's fine. I didn't see
We're
this
doing
S&T right here.
we're doing a double. But exit that one. Order filled. 115. Damn, that was $69. That is crazy. Okay. See. Let's see what it does here. I'm hoping it doesn't reach consequent encroachment.
This is a nice S&T on the bottom as well, so I understand why you're entering long.
Yeah. It would have been nice if this candle, hopefully this candle closes above the new, like this gap on the 15 minute. Oof, we'll see. Personal max loss is $20 today, or $20. No, 250, 250.
Brooklyn, what is wrong with you, man?
I think I'm gonna scale into another contract here.
Okay, just talk to the chat. I'm gonna take care of the dog real quick.
push it. Okay, so we got market structure shift on right here with a fair value gap created on the 2 minute. On the 1 minute, yep. What am I aiming for? I am aiming for let's see what this is. 1814, possibly 1814, consequent encroachment of this wick. Sorry, I can't multitask. I'm not a multitasker, but so that's what I'm aiming for right there. Hold on, let's see. You got relative. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll take one contract off this. Post.
Nice. I got stopped out. Good.
Yeah, I might get stopped out too, to be honest.
You say what?
I said I might get stopped out too, to be honest. I'm risking 230 right now on this trade.
Right,
One
let's
minute.
jump to Q screen and see what's good, what's happening, what's popping.
Felt more comfortable about this trade if it had closed above this. Pick that off this 2 minute. 2 minute window. That looks decent. That looks decent. As long as it doesn't touch consequent encroachment, this trade is still valid. I should have waited though. I should have waited to see. But I still feel quite comfortable. Nervous. Oh, here we go. Watata. Oh, damn. I hit my max daily. Ugh, that's annoying.
What is
Well, that's
your max daily?
250. I hit 280.
Okay. Hey,
Damn.
listen, you saw an SMT, you saw a fair value gap. What is is swept liquidity? It didn't sweep liquidity. It did on ES. You entered on ES, right?
No, I switched.
Oh, okay. You switched to NQ.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
I still think this trade is gonna turn out though. I still think it's gonna go towards the upside.
I mean, it kinda makes sense. It's just that when they're equal lows on ES, and it's just it's not like a clear SMT,
Mm-hmm.
you know?
Oh, that was so good. I should have waited. I should have waited. I should have waited. I should have waited for that retracement. I okay. So
It's
what
a
can I do
stop
better?
loss management, right?
Yeah, it was that, but I think it was because I prematurely entered the second contract. Because I think this is still a valid trade. I still think it's going to continue to move upwards. Um, but yeah, it's the stop loss, man. Like you don't have much leeway when you're trading mini, especially like personal max daily loss, right? So it's tough. That's so tough. Okay, we'll get them tomorrow.
Yeah, we get it tomorrow. I mean, on the 15 second, there's a lot of volume imbalances. Um, on the 30 seconds, there's a volume imbalance in here that is gonna get filled. So probably this fair value gap is not like, remember what you always tell me? Fair value gaps that goes against the trend tends to be disrespected. We just
Yep.
touched the new day opening gap. You know, I
Yep.
still thinking that this is a short, to be honest. We
Yeah,
just
that's true.
grabbed the buy side liquidity on ES.
Oh,
If
that's the SMT right there too. Damn, bro, that's crazy.
where?
Uh, where your SMT was.
Oh, where it,
So
yeah.
634 to that recent high. Yeah. And then 634, 632 to 734 on NQ. But again, see, like SMTs only count if you have a bias. Right?
Yeah, the narrative behind it.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I should have waited until it touched the BISI, bro. Ah, it's okay. I'm still long. I'm still thinking long. I'm gonna go on the. I'm not playing with my practice account because I hit my max personal daily loss.
Nice, good. Good risk management.
Thanks, bro. Bro, I've tried to I've cut down on smoking.
Yeah.
Crazy. I'm
I have
crazy.
to cut down on smoking too, man. I mean, I stopped smoking cigarettes. I'm vaping, but still, it's fucking bullshit, bro.
Mm. Yeah, I'm craving. I'm craving so hard. Oh, but I'm a Zen boy now. I'll pack lips.
What?
There you go. Oh, I got too excited on that train, brother. I got too excited.
Do you think the market conditions are giving opportunities to trade? To be honest,
Absolutely not, man. Like, I already feel like, man, I already thought that it was choppy. Like, I was thinking it was choppy, but then I doubled down. I should have, man, yeah, lowered the risk. I should have lowered the risk instead of getting into two contracts. That's okay.
you were this guy say in the book that you should why the psychology turns us to adding to the position when it's in a loss, but then we're scared to add when it's in a win, kind of shit.
Yeah,
Why we
but
cut
that's
the winning loss and then why we cut the winning short and then when we're losing we let the freaking price hit the stop loss, right? You get what I'm saying? It's
yeah,
fucking
it's a good
retarded.
question. That's a good question. Oof.
Yeah,
It's 50%. I don't know. I don't know.
we have a bowling imbalance in the 5 minutes. The 15-minute created of 5 seconds to the close. And the hourly. But look at this hourly candle, bro. Look at the hourly candle. It's like it's stop out everybody.
Yeah. What? That's 6 o'clock. Oof. Yeah, that's pretty nasty. Actually, now that you look at it. Oh, bro. Yeah, that's something I didn't do.
Look at
Yeah,
this
that
shit,
that
bro.
one. That 1 hour. Nasty. Oof. It grabbed. Yeah, it grabbed. Yeah. Wow. Oh
It
boy.
didn't grab the high. It's closer to the low. That's why I think that we're gonna go lower. That's why I think that this is a nice. Where is that? Right there. Created at 616.
Yeah. How could I manage that trade better? When I got into my second contract, I still should have put my stop loss to 150. Okay, that was the problem.
Say that again, sorry.
Because usually when I enter a second contract, because if you keep your stop loss to its original set point at 150, if you enter another contract, it doubles, right? So usually what I like to do is when second contract, I'll move my stop loss um to still equate only 150. That way that trade is still only losing 150, not the full two. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Right.
Order filled.
What did you do?
That was a practice again.
Uh,
Yeah, that was a practice again. I just wanted to see if it was going to continue that move, but that's a negative. This is good, bro. Full transparency, guys. I lose.
I lost too. 2 trades in
Yeah,
a row.
yeah. You. So, so what are we? So that's another thing, chat. So like, what you're really trying to learn is, you have to accept your losses, right? Like you might be on a streak of winning, and one of the secrets is to not become overconfident. You want to be stable, confident. That's what I'm learning from the Mental Game of Trading. It's an audiobook. It's also a book. I highly recommend it. As well as I know Nasty, you're also listening to was it Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas? That's a fantastic book as well.
Yeah, both.
So yeah, if you guys can and you guys are like hungry for some knowledge, those are two books that I personally recommend. They help incredibly so with your psychology. Um, when you watch a lot of these like live traders, they'll always talk about and I only came to this realization recently. So I've been trading for about 2 years. Inconsistent. I'm a boom and bust trader as of right now. Working my way to being more of a consistent consistent winner, right? So that's one of the things. So they always talk about how the technical analysis, you can master technical analysis within 6 months, but a lot of profitable traders, like that 1% or that 10%, a huge difference there. But the successful consistent traders, it usually takes about 5 years, and every single one of them will always talk about it's about risk management and your psychology. Okay, so if you're getting into the game right now and you're new, like understand that you're going to understand the technical analysis aspect of trading a lot faster than you will with your psychology. So spend more time on your psychology early in your years. That way you can cut that curve in half, right? That learning curve.
Good say. Well say. Sorry. Chat, sorry, my English is not very good looking.
Very good looking. Yeah, you speak fine, bro. This guy's not very good looking.
Yo, did you watch, yo, fucking hilarious. The Wars of Wisdom, uh they put five traders and they have to guess who's a profitable trader.
Oh, bro, I seen clips. I haven't watched it yet though.
Yo, hilarious. Hilarious, bro.
I seen the one clip that I saw. This guy's like, okay, so what did you guys get with your first payout? And the guy's like, oh, I grabbed a coffee. Wisdom looks at him and he's like, oh, must have not have been a good payout then.
Yeah,
if, that's
yes,
your
yes.
first, if that's your first payout. I started dying, bro. I was like, yeah. Because, like, bro, for real, what would you, like, because if you're getting a payout, man, you know you're taking out Ks, you know?
Yeah.
So, like,
Hell yeah.
it's so funny. I gotta watch that. I'll watch that. I'll watch that episode tonight. Bro, it needs this sweet, man. Like, I want, like, see, this is where patient comes in, chat. So my original thesis was sweep that low to then go for the highs, but I didn't wait. I got in consolidation. I got chopped up. Um,
It
Same with
was a
nasty. You got,
short. It was a short. I told you it was a short.
yeah. Did you get in?
No, I got stopped out.
Oh yeah.
I got stopped out and then the market moved my way. It's always the same shit. I need to learn how to like the stop loss, man. It's just
Yeah.
the fear of the losing money and some shit. Like it's a psychology shit. That's why Q was saying before. It's the TA you can like get it down to the point in 3, 6 months, 9 months, whatever. But it's psychology, man. The psychology of the trading is what at the end of the day is what it matters, man.
Yeah. 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 I highly recommend, like, especially if you guys are new, like, you know, first year, second year, whatever it is, and you guys are still working towards being profitable. Like, journal your trades, man. I just recently started journaling my trades, so I'll screenshot. You know, I'm starting to build my YouTube right now too. So I'll screenshot the trade I got into, and then I'll annotate it or put lipstick on it, as ICT would say. So it's like I would, like, during the trade, right? I'll put in what my emotions are during that trade, how I'm feeling, right? Whether it be, oh, the price is moving against me, I'm starting to get nervous. Like, I'll write all that stuff down. I'll start writing down like my physiological changes as well. Like my head starts getting hot, you know. I stop breathing, type
Palm
shit.
sweating. Yo, I got palm sweating. Like that's how I realized that I'm on a stress zone.
Yeah, yeah. So, like, for sure, like, if you guys are new into the game, like, I know I oh man, I remember when I was listening to these podcasters and, you know, all these live traders, and they would always say, like, journal your trades, that's when shit starts changing. Bro, I didn't listen to them for about 6 months. And then I think it was about last month I really started journaling my trades, which I really like Nasty's way of doing it, which is like a video of his trades basically, and he breaks it down for you guys. I love that because he's doing it while he's trading, whereas mine is, I'm doing it, but it's not verbal, right? And it's all on screen. It is a lot better when you're doing it out loud, because now you're telling yourself what the reason why you're getting into this trade, the reason why you got stopped out, why it hit TP, etc., etc. Just make sure you guys get into a habit of doing that, because
Very
it's
important.
extremely,
It
yeah,
sounds silly, but it is not, man. For real. For real,
yeah,
for real. It's sounds very silly. I wasn't a fan of doing it, but it's important, man.
yeah. Okay, so there's that sweep, bro. Okay, so it sweep relative equal lows.
It
So
was
this
a
is what I'm
fucking
looking for.
sure. I knew it. It was a sure.
So that's an SMT as well. So okay, so because my bias is completely against yours, right? Because you're shorting right now, and I'm looking for longs. So if you scale to the 2 minute, right, you got your sell side liquidity at the bottom, at 616, which you mentioned earlier, right? You got 616 low, and then NQ was a relative equal low, and that's your SMT. So this was what I was looking for. If I had just been a little bit more patient, this probably would have worked out well for me. Um, but we'll see what price does after it just swept that relative equal low. I'm thinking price will continue moving upwards, at least the consequent encroachment of the 6 o'clock candle, that wick. I think it'll hit that for sure, but we'll see.
And this is the beauty of trading. I think because ES is the weakest pair. I mean, well, I was about to say something, but then I looked at this and I'm gonna change my mind. Why? Because I was about to say I still short and I'm in it. I still bearish, right? But
Yeah,
because
yeah.
ES is a weaker pair, I feel for now, and then created these equal lows, and it failed to grab the liquidity, and Nasdaq grabbed the liquidity from here. I was about to say that I want to see the price keep going down, but
Mhm.
before doing so, um, maybe we get a little retracement, and that's where you will take the scalp for a long.
Yeah, yeah. So that's actually, yeah, that's what I'm looking for right now. So because I hit my personal loss, for the rest of the stream, I'll just be playing with my 50 one my practice account. Um,
But we have a lot of volume imbalance in here, so I want to see the price like touching this, like maybe weaken it. We have problems with connections. Q is back.
yeah, I'm back.
Yes. I was saying that we have a on NQ we have a lot of imbalance in here, volume imbalance. I want to see
Mhm.
the price going, even if it's just a week to make the damage, but balance it out.
Yeah.
I mean, if you go to high time frames, you
Wait, what do you want? What time frame are you on, bro?
on the 1 minute, 2 minute. Look at the 2 minute.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't even check the 1 minute. 2 minute. I was looking at the 2 minute. Yeah, volume imbalances. Okay, I'm entering a long here. Oof. Should I?
Order.
Oh, I should have been on ES. Oh man, I'm all over the place today.
That's the sleep, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
We didn't
Also,
sleep good, man.
yeah, we should talk about that. Also, chat. If you didn't sleep, don't trade. you should not be. You should not be making decisions when you're half, half dead. Honestly. Okay, what am I aiming for? I'm aiming for consequent encroachment. 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock wake. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Risk of 150. Damn, bro. I keep messing up, man. I meant to long. This is crazy. I meant to long the stronger pair, which was ES, but I'm longing the weaker pair, which is NQ.
It's funny how you call it the stronger because you're longing, and I call it the weaker because I'm shorting.
Yeah, yeah. But oh, that's another thing, chat. So like, it's cool because when you find a trading buddy, you guys don't always have to agree with your bias because you both can make really good. Like you both can make money regardless of of what your bias is, but you just have to trust yourself in order to do it.
Yeah, because if
Um,
you don't do so, you'd rather be like trading by yourself because now you're gonna
yeah,
get influence.
yeah, 1,000%.
We're
And that's a
lucky.
good.
Go ahead, go ahead.
No, no, go ahead, bro.
I know I was about to say that we're lucky that we both are hard headaches and we understand
Yeah,
each other, and it's like, okay, whatever, like we're gonna celebrate your decisions because you stick to your rules, right?
yeah, yeah.
Um,
Sure.
even though you were wrong, but the most important thing is just to follow your rules.
Hey man, you know what? You got grounds. You got ground.
Just stick to your rules, man, so you don't feel bad
You're right though.
about it
But
later.
that yeah. And that's the thing, guys. Like, oh man, bro. You know what? Nasty, just because this is our first live together, let's talk about that, man. Like, yeah, I'll start with my story real quick. So like I was trading crypto for a real long time there for a bit. And I was using ICT concepts, but I was trading Solana. So it was kind of interesting. And Nasty, I knew Nasty from what 2 3 years ago. So I met Nasty 2 3 years ago.
No, about
Um,
4 years ago, more than 4 years, 4 year and a half on
was-
2020.
are you serious? It was that long? Oh, it doesn't feel like that, bro. It does not feel like that. 4 years. Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
So
with
2020.
Samurai Saga, the NFT, remember?
Yeah, bro. Wow, that was 4 years ago. That's crazy, bro. Wow, that's blowing my mind just thinking about that. Yeah, see, damn, bro. I wish I got in on ES instead of NQ. Whatever.
And you see the week that I told you about?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
The imbalance, like that's why we were saying the even, you know, like, even if you are trading with somebody and somebody's shorting and somebody's, the other person is bullish,
Mhm.
like you both can make money, you know.
Yep, 1000%. But yeah, so then we started. So I was trading by myself. Nasty, I'll let you talk about your experience. But I was trading by myself, and I started reaching out to. I reached out to a mutual friend, Lucy, and she let me know that Nasty was actually trading as well. So I got into contact with him around March, April, and then and I thank you for this every day, bro. Not every day, but like I hold you in high regard because of this. But you're like, bro, like, well, I remember that conversation. You're like, man, like you're trading ICT concepts. Have you ever thought about trading futures? And I was like, futures? What the fuck are you talking about, futures, bro? I'm trading futures right now. You know, but it was Solana, it was crypto futures. So then, for about 2 weeks after we had that conversation, I started playing with futures on TradingView, paper account, and I started noticing that my levels that I was drawing out was being respected more so trading indices than it was with crypto. So I was like, okay, cool, like let's do this. And then after that, Nasty and I we've been trading for about 3 months together now, and it's probably been one of the most profitable in terms of like relationship and just like my headspace, man. Because for those 2 years it was rough, because I was doing it by myself. But now that I have a trading partner, it's crazy because like if you're new, especially if you're new and you're doing this by yourself, you I'm sure you have a lot of people that you've told, or maybe you haven't, that don't really believe that you can do it, right? Um, and then when you find a partner to trade with, man, like it's awesome because one, he keeps you accountable. Like Nasty keeps me accountable. Like if I fuck up, like he'll tell me, you're being a Nostradamus dumbass, and like thankfully, like we both don't take it to heart, right? Because we understand that. Um, but like, yeah, he keeps me accountable, right? So like, if you guys can find a trading partner, and he goes through the exact same emotions that I go through. I thought I was going through it alone, but like even 2 days ago, we were having we were on a phone call a Sunday trying to break down the market to see what the week was gonna look like, and we ended up talking on psychology subjects, right? And sure enough, like I wasn't telling him certain things, and then as the conversation continued, turns out he's going through the same shit, right? So that's like the importance of having a trading buddy. Oh, it's incredible for your psyche for sure.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I remember the time that we had a conversation, because, like, I paid thousands of dollars. I paid $2,500. Yo, it was bad, man. Cause you know what? Cause I see where this is going. I'm just gonna go and serve myself a beer. Keep entertaining the chat. I'll be right back.
Yeah, for sure. But yeah, so check it out, guys. So like, if I had just been patient, because my bias was long, I was long just up until this consequent encroachment, right? So if I had just waited, like another, when did I get in? I got in right here, right? I got in right here. If I had waited 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 22 minutes. If I had just waited and been patient for another 22 minutes, this would have been my play. This would have been, it would have hit all my parameters. But I broke my rule, you see. I broke my rule because one, I got in during a consolidation. There was no apparent sweep of any liquidity. So you got resting liquidity here and you had resting liquidity here as well on the lower time frames, right? So because we're scalpers, or because I'm a scalper, I wanted to see at least one of these points get hit. If price had moved upwards, my bias would have been short because it would have grabbed the liquidity, the resting liquidity here. But because we were like consolidating within this range and we made a relative equal low with this candle bar at 654, I automatically thought like long, right? So if I had just waited 22 minutes from my original entry, because I entered around here 19,800, if I had waited 22 minutes, I could have entered where I entered on my practice account, um, and would have made profit. But now we're making profit in the practice account, which is great, right? Would I take that trade that I took earlier? Next time, no, right? Next time, no. So this is what I was looking for. I wanted a sweep. This is what validated my long right here. You had the SMT from 616 on ES to 7:58 p.m., right? So you had a higher high, whereas on NQ you had a lower high, which was the sweep. So it grabbed that relative equal low, wicked out, and then started moving upwards. This would have been my ideal trade right here.
It's beautiful. That was a beautiful trade for
Yeah.
a long, definitely.
Modelo, 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 modelo.
Yeah, I just served myself a modelo.
Yeah, I actually rate Modelo, bro. I rate it. I only had it last summer. No, this summer. I had it the first time this summer.
It's refreshing. I don't like IPAs. In order for me to drink an IPA, I'd rather drink a whiskey. You know?
Yeah, bro. Yo, you know what though? Here in Hamilton, we have this. We got this like we have this one brewery, bro. It's called Collective Arts. And then there's another one that sells IPA. Bro, the only IPA that I'll drink, dog, is the grapefruit ones. That
Okay.
sound real feminine, but um.
No, it's good. It's good because it's bitter, but add some sweetness to it.
Mhm. All right, so I'm moving my stop loss. Damn, bro, look at that. See, bro, this is chat. I'm telling you, patience is the key in trading. Like, you can't be jumping the gun.
That was a nice trade, cute.
Yeah, I'm okay. Hold on. So if ES takes out this relative equal high, I'm gonna get out of this trade because most. Let's see if NQ touches consequent encroachment of that six o'clock wick. I'd like it to. I'd like it to touch consequent encroachment. So if anybody knows what that is or doesn't know what it is, consequent encroachment you use for gaps and wicks if you're an ICT student, right? So you got these are the values. So you got one. Hold on, let's actually pull it up. So you got the 0, 0.75, 0.5, 0.25, and the 1. So that's your consequent encroachment for the Fibonacci tool. I think I might actually get out of this trade right now, bro.
You should.
Hold on, let's see. I've been really trying to practice patience both ways. So let's see. You know what? I'll leave my stop loss. I find I'm too aggressive with my stop losses, but I'm trying to let my trades just run, bro.
Yeah, me too. That's a problem. That's a problem. And stop loss, man. I have to learn how to manage it correctly.
Yeah. Yeah, you got a volume imbalance on ES. So I'll probably get stopped out here. Volume imbalance on ES. So if it pulls back to that volume imbalance, I'll get stopped out on NQ. Let's see. I still think it'll reach that consequent encroachment, but let's see. But yeah, bro. Nasty. Tell
Yeah.
tell
So
tell your journey, bro.
Bro,
25K.
it was, I don't know if I
But
even told you the story, but I mean, long story short, because
mm,
if not, we will stay here till tomorrow. I stood undocumented in United States for many years, and then I got married with my wife, and
mhm,
then I got the paper through her, right? So the first time that we traveled back to my country, which is
mhm,
Spain, the first time that we traveled together was on January.
mhm,
Before January, I always, like since 2020, I actually started entertaining the idea of investing and trading on 2017 with crypto and Bitcoin and all the, pump and dump shit, whatever. But on 2020, I started, like more like taking steps towards it, and putting money into it and trading, like the NFTs, and all of that. But then, um, months before January, around December, October, I want to say October, November, December 2023, I started like looking into trading, and like a lot of influencers in my Instagram, the algo, how it works. You like one post, and then the whole feed is full of traders selling courses and all that shit.
yeah.
So I bumped into one that I truly liked, and I did a lot of research, and I bought his course. I paid $2,500. I was about to pay $2,500, and I have a good money on. I had not anymore. I had a good money on my savings,
Mhm,
and then we were about to go to Spain. We go to Spain, and somebody stole my aunt camper. She had a van, and it was custom, and like she invested a lot of money in there.
mhm,
So she used to use a car for like going to work and then traveling with her daughter because she's divorced and all that. So when I get back, when I went back to Spain with my wife, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give $5,000 to my aunt so she can get a new van,
mhm,
right? And then I was thinking about giving her like $5,000, and then, but I was hesitating because like if I gave her the $5,000, I wouldn't be able to pay for the course, which it was
right.
2,500, and then stay there for a month, with my wife, and because it was the first time, I wanted us to have a good trip. So we have an intervention, and they told me not to do it. Like invest on the trading, and eventually you will make money with trading, and then you're gonna be able to help your family the right way. But don't take food from your plate to give it to me, because like at the end of the day, I'm working, kind of shit. That's what she told me. So I was
Mhm,
like, you know what, I'm gonna do it, and I went all in. And since then, February 8th, the course started on February 8th, and I finished it a month after. And
mhm,
then like we jump into the call, and the first time that we talk about trading, I had a whole complete different like strategy, and he was trading ICT, and I was looking into it, but I didn't want to get too deep into it because I didn't want to jump from strategy to strategy just because mine wasn't quote unquote working all the
mhm,
time. And I already did that in the past. I consume like 80% of the YouTube videos in Spanish and English, looking for strategies that worked, and then I stick to it for a week, it don't work, and then jump up to another one, the process.
mhm.
So when we jump into the call and you started saying that you trade ICT, whatever, I was like, bro, your TA is on point. Maybe it's not you, because I remember you were a little frustrated. You were profitable, but it was a little frustration in there. And I was
Yeah,
like,
rough, bro. That was rough.
it was rough. It was rough for everybody, for you, for me. And I was like,
Yeah.
maybe it's not you. Maybe it's a market that you trading the wrong asset.
Mhm,
just try to jump into futures. I'm jumping into futures. Look, I jump into we don't have an affiliation with anybody, but like I recommend Topstep. So I recommended him to look it up, and the rest is history. Like here we are, breaking the charts.
Yeah, yeah. That was honestly that's definitely a core memory for me. Even going forward, bro. Like I know I'll look back in like 5 years. I'll look back in 5 years, and that'll definitely be a core memory for me. Just making that switch to futures. So yeah, I thank you for that.
Nah, man. Like I always say, I thank you for existing and be the person that you are and trying to be better every day. Because at the end of the day, the the person that you are is the person that is gonna get reflected on the charts. You
Yeah,
know.
yeah. That's fact right there, man.
I want some W's on the chat.
W's in the chat. W's in the chat.
The other day I saw that you put W's in the chat on that Discord, and he said, "Yo, we keep it stoic in here. We don't celebrate victories or we don't celebrate losses." And I was like, "Yo, I'm out of this chat, this Discord, bro."
Yeah, yeah, yeah. He hit me hard with that one. I was like, oh damn. I'm like, bro, yeah. Yo, you know what though? That guy's a lawyer. He's a family lawyer, I think.
Nah, he's good. They are good and they super smart. But they also made mistake. I was like, like looking into them and following them and following their strategy and like not following like me trading the same thing that they were trading, doing the same things, but just analyzing them. And it actually was a very good week for me. And they were like, "Oh, the market it sucks, whatever today. Oh, we come back to it tomorrow, whatever." I was like, you know what? That's when I told you I'm gonna delete everything, and I'm gonna get out of like everything that is gonna influence me, because it was a very good week for me. And
Yeah,
the whole week I was picking out their Discord, and everybody was like crying about it, kind of shit. Not crying, complaining, but like saying that it was choppy conditions. The market wasn't giving what they expected. I
yeah,
was like, it gave me what I expected, so I'm gonna get out of here and keep taking my own decisions.
yeah, for sure. That's a good subject topic right there, bro. Is not allowing other people's influences affect your own bias or your trades. Because I know I know that was tough for me, man. Because it's like jump in, like you would jump on stream, watch some of the people's streams, and then you would their bias is completely against yours, and then you end up switching your bias, and you get burned for it too. That was
I
that
I
was
literally I literally blew 5 accounts in total.
yeah,
The two of them was shorting the top. The other two was following what other people, like influencers, said.
yeah,
So that's why we choose different, because like you might be in a short, I might be in a long, and I don't know why. Maybe it's because like the relationship that we have, or whatever, that is not like, it doesn't affect me as much. Maybe because we are learning at the same time, and then if I jump into a live of somebody that is an influencer, and that person supposedly knows more than me, and
hmm
he's longing and I'm shorting, I started shaking.
yeah, bro. Yeah, I hear you, man. See, so like, check this out, bro. So I got stopped out right here. So I was already in a deficit. I think I was already down 145, so I made 270 in the practice account based off that trade, aiming for that consequent encroachment. So this is the thing, guys. Like, am I upset that I missed it or I got stopped out early? A little bit. I am a little bit upset because that's been happening a lot lately. But at least it's still in profit, right? So that's one of the things that allows me to sleep at night because I was right. Um, it's just like being patient, man. It's like letting your trades run. That's the biggest thing, is just letting your trades run. What? Yo, it's cold, bro. It's crazy how fast the temperature changed.
Yo, it's cold in New York too, man.
Bro, I went out with a fucking vest and a sweater yesterday. I was pissed. Okay, so with the loss today, that brings my account to 12. 1.2. It's at
Nice,
1.2 right.
nice.
Um
I'm on 780. Uh,
yeah.
yeah, cause I was 1,000 yesterday and I lost 200, so like 800.
Yeah. I gotta get better, man. Gotta get better. It's okay though. I'm actually proud of us, man. Like we've come a long way.
Yo, I'm telling you, bro.
But yeah, man. What are you thinking? I think your shorts are gonna come into play soon.
Yeah, anytime soon.
Let's see. Let's see if an SMT gets created out in 2 minutes. Uh,
I'm just waiting for that confirmation, pretty much,
yeah,
to take the last trade today. Um,
yeah.
it was a very nice loan, bro. That was a very
Thanks,
nice
brother.
loan.
Thanks, brother. I wish I had more patience earlier, so I could have actually put that in the real account. That's okay though.
But you
Thank you. I
see,
appreciate
that's
that.
that's that's what I'm saying. Like I was shorting, right? The market at 735 touched the upper part of the new day opening gap and then went down to the sell side equality.
Mhm.
That would have been a nice short. And then you were long and it gave it to you as well. So that's
Mhm.
that's that's what we're saying, guys. Like, it's like it doesn't matter what your bias is.
Mhm.
In the short term, if you play it right, if you wait for the opportunity to present itself
Mhm.
correctly, and you're in the right mindset, like any bias can be profitable.
Yep.
I
Yes,
sounded
sir.
I sounded like Michael right there. Any fair value gap, any Mister.
Yo, he actually does. He does say that too, doesn't he? Yo. Okay. So you got. Bro. Honestly, I was just about to say, and ES looks like a really good short, but it's weird though, because hold on, don't take my word for it yet. So you got the 6 o'clock, right? You got the 6 o'clock open wick, right? Which just NQ just took out that wick, but then on ES you had the 350 high wick,
Yeah,
right? So the 350 high. So from the 350 high to that recent high that was made, that was the SMT right there. It looked real good on the 2 minute.
yeah. I'm just waiting for an entry and I give it a shot. I see a volume imbalance on the 2 minute.
Yeah. There's a volume imbalance on the 1 minute on NQ. What are you gonna short? Are you gonna short ES or NQ?
NQ.
NQ. Okay. Okay, heads up. So on the 1 minute you have a volume imbalance on the 1 minute.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for.
Okay. That's crazy. Bro, I remember watching ICT talk about, like, he's like, yeah, I make plays on both the retracements and the expansions, you know? I'm like, man, how do you do that, bro? Like, how do you really do that? And then ever since like, this 2024 mentorship, I'm like, okay. I see how you're doing it now. Like, I sort of get what you're doing, which is, like, incredible. Because it's like, bro,
You have to
how?
have balls, bro.
Yeah, yeah, bro. Okay, so that's the fair value gap. Let's see. So he says fair value gap like that. City. Let's see. Let's see what it does. Yeah, I think your short's about to come in.
I'm just
I
waiting
think.
to get tapping. If not, I have a nice stop loss. It's gonna be at the top. I think that
Yep.
it's just 10 handles, so maybe like 150 stop loss. I feel comfortable taking it.
Yeah. Let's see. What's ES is? Yes, look good too. So, bro, I've been noticing when I started trading, like when I started trading Asia, I was playing that end dog. I was playing the new daily gap openings.
Yeah.
I um so that's kind of iffy. Like it's good, but it's bad at the same time because like there's days where it hits and there's days where it misses. But I've been finding a sweet spot between like the 7:30 and like 9 o'clock block. I don't know if that's macro. I don't because he doesn't really talk about like Asia macros because he doesn't trade it. But
Maybe he
um,
talks about it on the Forex mentorship. Because
2016.
because on the Forex, JPY is included. So that's
Oh,
why maybe he's not talking about it right now because it's only NQ and ES and they move differently.
yeah, yeah, that makes sense.
I think, I don't know. Remember, I don't know nothing. I'm just
Me
a
too.
speculator.
Me too, bro. Me too. Okay, I'm taking a stab on my practice with a short. The weaker pair is ES, so I'm gonna short ES. Let's see. That NQ entry looks pretty decent right now. Let's see.
I'm just gonna wait for that imbalance to get filled.
Yeah, smart. That's a great play. Great play.
If it doesn't give it to me, I just call it a day.
Yeah. Chat. So this is what we're talking about, right? It's the patience to get filled. Uh yeah, because sometimes you won't even get tapped into a trade, right? So you can either be aggressive with it, but you have to like have conviction. So Justin Worthing, one of the other guys that we watch heavily, he that's something that you should also develop in your system or your trading plan is like take the trades that you have high conviction in. If you're taking a trade that you don't have high conviction in, the odds are your emotions will run high and you'll probably it probably won't work out well for you. And if it does, but you broke your rules, so this is another thing he says: if you break your rules but you make money off of it, that's just luck. It's only a matter of time till you give it back.
Yeah, you're gonna give that money back.
Yeah, because you didn't follow your rules, right? So, oof,
It's gonna continue the move and it's
yeah,
gonna leave me behind.
yeah,
It's fine.
yeah. Bro, did you see that? I think it was. Oh, what was it? I'm pretty sure it was the 2024, like this 2024 mentorship where so like I would before previously I would just chart out the volume and balance, right? So you chart out the volume and balance. So this if anybody in the chat is wondering what a volume imbalance is, it's that space in between candles that aren't filled. So if you look at my screen, I'm gonna highlight it real quick, or Nasty if you want to do that.
It's highlighted already in yellow.
Okay, yeah, sweet. So a volume imbalance is just that space in between candles. So price didn't reach up with a wick, right? So it didn't fill that gap in. So that's what we call a volume imbalance. But back to what I was saying. So ICT was saying, bro, he's like, when a volume imbalance is created plus like a fair value gap, the volume imbalance is included into that fair value gap. I was like, oh, I didn't know that. But recently I've been noticing
Say
like it
that
really
again.
like
Say that again.
okay, so if you look at my screen, right? So you got your fair value gap, right? So you got your fair value gap on the 1 minute, sorry, on the 1 minute. So on the 1 minute, you have a fair value gap from here to here. And because this is a volume imbalance, so because this is a volume imbalance,
Wait. Sorry. I need to interrupt you. Are you looking and referring something onto your other screen? Because we don't see that.
you see,
I don't see your mouse moving.
oh, I'm probably hold on, I probably paused. Wait, hold on. Let me know if you can see my mouse yet. Can you see my mouse?
Not moving at all.
Oh, I don't know what's going on. Hold on.
It's like frozen.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna restart my Discord. One
Yeah, no
second.
problem.
But if so on your screen, bro. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, watch.
I mean, we can watch it on my screen if you want to.
Yeah. Okay. So you see on the 1 minute, right? Pull up your screen.
Oh, there you go. I got you now.
Okay. Okay. So on your screen. So we're just look at your screen. So you got the 1 minute, right? Go to your 1 minute.
It's a 1 minute.
Okay. So you see that doji candle?
Yep.
So that doji candle we already referred to as a volume imbalance. If you were to draw your fair value gap from the top of that up close candle, right? So that white one to and creating a fair value gap to. Okay, cool. So you're on my screen. Give me 1 second. I'll pull it up. So this is you have your doji candle here, and then you have the close of this candle, right? And the close of the open of this candle. So normally, normally this would be your fair value gap, right? This would no, sorry, your volume imbalance. So this would be your volume imbalance. But what he said, bro, what he said was when you have a volume imbalance, but then you have a fair value gap here too. He's like, this all counts as the fair value gap. I was like, wait, hold on a second. Are you serious? So I started playing with that a little bit more, and it's bro, it actually
So,
works.
so, okay. So let's talk to me as I'm a Nostradamus.
Yeah.
Pretty
Okay.
much, when it's a fair value gap that is when it's a volume imbalance that is just so happen that is also a fair value gap, we
Yeah.
just call it fair value gap, and that's it.
Yeah. That's it.
Okay.
That's it. Yeah.
Like simple terms, like I'm stupid.
Yeah.
Okay, so my
So
second entry, I lost it. Yeah, so that's it. That's it. This was a move. It was a nice short that I should have been part of, because it didn't tap me in. Like I didn't want to.
jeez.
I mean, if anything, I can move it to this, but it's just nah. This is just me following the price. So
There's another thing he talked about recently too. So he says, okay, so if you look at my screen again, so we have this fair value gap, right? So you have this fair value gap, and then you have this up close candle, but it doesn't touch consequent encroachment. So he says the moment, so this is what he said, bro. He's like, the moment that I see this, I have full confidence that it's gonna continue down. He's like, the reason why I say that though, and he didn't give me a reason really, but he's like, this automatically because it didn't reach consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. I know this is his words. He's like, I know that this is an order block. He's like, I don't even like. He's like, so the moment I see that, I'm already looking for an entry within this candle here on the 15 to 30-second candle. I was like, bro, that's crazy. He's like, a lot of you guys are probably not paying attention to this, but you should probably write that down. But look, like, so it fills that gap, touches the OB, it probably won't even reach back up into this fair value gap.
probably won't.
And then hold on, let's see. So let's say we were to let's play this up, bro. Okay, I'm gonna enter. Oh fuck! Wrong contract. Hold on. NQ. NQ. Oh.
Wow, wow.
Okay, so we're still learning that one. We're still learning. We're still we're still learning that one. Oh boy. Eat your foot on that one. Gee. Why and all.
Order filled.
But that's what he says. He says like the winner.
I know, but the move was complete. We already touched the fair value gap, and this is just a retracement.
Of
You
this
know.
one, yeah, fair enough. That's oh, yo. But hey, you know what? I'm still learning like order blocks. Like I don't actually like that based off of what he said, you know. But that's crazy. See, sometimes, man, like you'll learn stuff, you know. You don't
That's
know.
why you have to follow what you think and not what other people say. Because
Yeah,
at the end of
yeah,
the day, like you can be right or you can be wrong. It doesn't even matter.
yeah,
It's just, like it is what it is, man. It is what it
yeah.
is.
But
Oh
he,
man,
yo,
that was
he's,
hilarious, bro. Let me tell
yo,
you.
uh, here, let's see. Hey, you know what? It's okay, bro. It's okay. This is all
Of
learning
course,
experience.
of course. It's
Yo, this,
beautiful, man. I love you, brother.
yo, this first stream is gonna be one to remember, man. Oh, bro,
Woo.
this is a good one. But yeah, man, I hit my personal daily max, so I'm out of the game for today and tomorrow. Ugh. You got another stab for it tomorrow, don't you?
Yeah,
That
yeah. I only. Hey. We're touching that area. All right. I mean,
are you going for a short?
yeah.
Switch your screen. Switch the. Let's see. Oh, the stream is just lagging. Gotcha. Oh, your original entry. I like it.
All right. Now that I'm on the trade, I don't want to see ES or anything else but my trade.
Hmm. Yeah, that's a great entry. That's a really good
Uh,
entry.
it was a great entry in the beginning. Now it's not as valid for me. Like whatever. Like I'm entering because it's still there, but the chances of this bowling imbalance, in my opinion, to get disrespected now are higher than before because we already grab a lot of liquidity from here.
Mm,
So, that's my train of thought. I mean, I can be right or I can be wrong. At the end of the day, it's just like I don't feel as comfortable. I'm just taking it because it's a small loss, if anything.
mm.
Um, but yeah, like I that's my train of thought pretty much.
Yeah, I'm actually on the opposite side, bro. I think it'll go your way because bro, I don't know, man. I've been watching the chart so much. You know what? No, I don't know shit. I don't know shit. I actually feel real comfortable about your position, though.
I mean, it can be a good entry. It can be a good entry, not gonna lie. But the fact that we kind of like changed the structure in this, we created this move right here,
Hmm.
right? And then we change the structure in here. It can
Hmm.
tell me that maybe we go back to a fair value gap to then keep the move to the upside because
Hmm.
we broke below the new day opening gap and then it rejected right away. So that's a sign for me that it's not like I'm not too confident.
Okay.
I even gonna cut my loss shorter. Because if it keeps going up, I don't want to be part of it.
Yeah.
I put my
Okay.
stop
Here,
loss on the top of this candle.
just to like, I don't know. Like, think about this though. Okay. So it grabbed your 6 o'clock liquidity already. So
Yeah.
just just keep this in mind. So it grabbed your 6 o'clock liquidity wick, and then it was a heavy rejection on the 1 minute, right? So just remember that. So heavy rejection on the 1 minute. Give one second. So you got heavy rejection on the 1 minute, and then it started moving downwards, created that fair value gap that you were talking about with the volume imbalance, and you still have so higher time frame. You still got a relative equal low here at 19742. I don't know if you want to catch that whole move, but there's a lot of things calling price to come back down because you still have the consequent encroachment of the 1 o'clock candle on the 15 minute.
Yeah, and we also, if we throw the Fibonacci, when if imagine that this is like a tarot soup or a unicorn entry or a market maker sell model, you really want to see the price coming below the 50% or around the 50%. You don't want to see it like too much into the 75%, supposedly. But yeah, that's pretty much like, this is a nice retracement, but like I said before, I don't have the same convictions that I had when I entered, when my original entry was.
Yeah,
Just
no,
just
that's
because this is like, you see, when ICT say I want to see fast, big candles, like fast pace, this is it right here, right?
yeah, yeah,
Your second entry, your second opportunity was here, right? To catch this move,
yeah, yeah,
right? But whatever, it's fine. It's just between 100 and 150 dollar loss, if anything. I'm not mad at any result, and I don't expect anything. This
yeah,
will be my target, but I will just gonna, like, I leave it here, and if we keep moving down, I'll move my stop loss.
yeah. It's a good play. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry, I wasn't trying to influence you there.
No, no, it's good.
I was talking out loud. Um, no, that's a good thesis too. I like that. Fibonacci tools they're clutch. I'm not gonna lie.
Is I think Fibonacci just reinforce what you already think if you have a bias. It's like SMTs, right? I don't want to say you should take this trade because the Fibonacci tell you to take it. It's more based on confirmation on your bias, I think,
Yeah.
right? I want to believe that.
hmm
It's like the SMT, you know. Uh, if you have the wrong bias, an SMT can work for a small period of time, but again, it's very relative. It's not
Yeah.
something that is like, I mean, like we can talk about this for days, but let's say that, the trending lines, right? There's people that, for the sake of the conversation, I'm gonna make it bigger. There's people, and I have videos in the YouTube because I have a friend that when he saw that I was trading, he was like, "Why don't you make some videos and like uh, teach me what you're doing?" And I'm like, I don't even know what I'm doing, to be honest. But
Yeah,
but
bro.
let's talk about this. This is a trend line, right? How
Yeah.
much you can trust a trend line? Oh no, I'm gonna enter in here on a short because it broke, or I'm gonna enter in here on a long because it retests the trend line, right? You get
Mhm.
what I'm saying?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So it's like, same thing with the Fibonacci, same thing with pretty much with everything, because it's not only ICT. There's people that don't trade ICT and they still making money. They still being profitable. You
Yeah.
know.
I think the moment you said trend lines, bro, I automatically started thinking of Toy Trades, bro. She's good, man. And so this is the thing too, guys. Whoever's in the chat, whatever, whoever listens to this later on, like it doesn't matter what school of trading you're in. it's just the one that you stick to, right? Like that's your edge, guys. Like your edge is based off of your conviction in your trading plan, right? So just like that's like the trading realm right now is super toxic because you have influencers or live traders that will talk shit about ICT, or you have SMC talk shit about ICT, and then you got support and trend line support and resistance traders that talk shit about trend line traders, and it's like it actually doesn't matter. It's based off of your edge and what you believe in, right? It's like if you stick to one school of trading, and that's where your high conviction is, like it'll work for you. Like all of it works. It's just the one that you pick and you stick to. I think that's the difference. Don't do it, bro. Well, technically that is the protected high. So let's see.
Yeah, that's why I was like, but whatever, it's fine. I just gonna leave it
Yeah.
in there. Not gonna. There you go.
Oh, I got fucked. Yeah, I was in that trade too, but on the practice account, obviously.
It's fine.
Uh,
Minus $200 on each session. It's fine. We take it,
yeah,
and that's it.
yeah. So we're off again tomorrow. Yo, so
Um,
that's the
I mean,
problem when.
I still having like my limit is 300. I'm still having another 100 to play around with.
Okay, nice.
If I see a nice setup,
Hmm.
uh, my daily limit is 300.
Hmm.
Um, but yeah, your daily
Jeez.
limit was what?
I dropped it down to 250.
250.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
dropped it down to 250 because I noticed the last time I was getting way too ahead of myself, man. Because I was close. I was close to passing eval, and then I tilted. I was looking for big payouts and not my setups. So I was like, okay, like how can I alleviate that? And then I was like, yeah, just smaller losses, bigger wins, and just go from there. Damn,
Yeah.
that's crazy, bro. That long is crazy.
The loan still playing out.
Yeah, I wonder why. Like, it really only wanted to touch that one fair value gap. Hey, like that wick out. That's crazy. It looked good, bro. It looked like a good short. That was only if you got in at the top, but it's so hard to time that, man.
I mean, I saw an SMT, I saw fair value gap, I saw volume imbalance. I've been
Hmm.
saying I didn't feel as convinced
Yeah.
as in the beginning
Hmm.
because already grabbed the liquidity. But yeah, I mean, I gave it a chance, and it didn't play out my way, so I'm good. I don't feel bad with it.
Yeah,
It's fine.
bro. Actually, you know what? Now that I zoomed out, I okay. Check this out. Okay, so go onto your 2 minute time frame,
Yep.
bro. You had a market structure shift. I hate this. I hate it when it's always after the fact. But you had a market structure shift created with an fair value gap right here, right? So you had
Yeah, market make it buy model.
yo, because that wick right there was the entry to enter the long. Oh, bro, why is it always after the fact? That's crazy. Okay, okay. So now we have to zoom out before all of it. Okay. Well, you know what? It was a good session though.
No, it
It's a
was
good session.
good. It was good. Um, yeah, it would have been nice if we catch this before, but it was it,
Bro, what the fuck?
but it's
Oh,
good. It's good. It's good, bro.
yeah,
If this is a market making buy model,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Um, we have a lot of room to play with, you know.
At least to the 867 mark. 'Cause you got, damn, that would have been, yeah, that's a good one right there. That looks so good. That's crazy, bro. Yo, we have to zoom out more. Okay,
Yeah.
so we'll work on that. We'll work on that. because that looks like a really good entry for the long. Damn. Yeah, that was a market structure shift right there. Because you had consolidation and then market structure shift. Oof. Okay. Well, good trades, bro. Good trades. You know, we both took L's, but we'll come back again harder, faster, stronger, better.
Yeah.
Wiser. Sweet. All right, man.
All right,
I'm
man.
gonna
We're
go.
gonna call it a day.
Yes, sir.
See you guys. See you when I see you.
Yep.
Tomorrow is gonna be another day, better day, healthier, wealthier,
Mm-hmm.
smarter,
Mm-hmm.
hotter. You already know all the good stuff.
Yep. All right, man.
All right, man.
See you.